Danielle, and I'm from the Huron Public Library. We are starting our summer reading program, and I'm going to be your guide through all of the crafts. So every Monday we're going to post a video that goes along with your craft kit. If you don't have a craft kit, give us a call. We'll get you registered, and you can pick one up curbside at the library. So today we're going to start with our Shrinky Dink craft, and let's get to it. Okay guys, so step one, you need to find your Shrinky Dink craft in your kit. And let's go ahead and open it up. So in your kit, you have your Shrinky Dink instructions, Shrinky Dink paper. Notice that there's a rough side and a smooth side. You have your magnet, and you also need scissors and Sharpies, and an oven, and an adult to supervise, of course. So what we're gonna do is, let's just go through the instructions. So I have the actual Shrinky Dink paper instructions. Number one, you're gonna trace, 2 color, 3 cut out, 4 punch holes if you wish. We're gonna use magnets instead. And then we are going to use a toaster oven. So it says down here to preheat the oven to 325. Da-da-da, let's do that. 325, we'll preheat it. Okay, so we gotta think of a design. I'm going to do a sun. So I'm gonna use yellow and orange, and we're gonna trace out that design. Got it here, and I'm gonna use the rough side. It gives it a different texture. Okay, so you wanna make it sort of big. I'd use half a paper per one, or half a Shrinky Dink paper. I'm gonna give it a little design here. Maybe I'll do swirls. Okay, so I got my little sunshine colored up, and if you can see that it is pretty big, and it's gonna be magic when it turns small in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out. So I'm gonna round this one out just a little bit. Okay, kind of looks like a little sunburst. Okay, so our oven should be preheated by now. So we're gonna go ahead and get our gloves, or our mitts, of course with an adult, and we are going to put it in the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna throw mine on there. I do not need parchment paper. You can choose to use some, but it does not require it. So I've got my Shrinky Dink right in the middle of my pan here, and you could do more than one at a time. Throw it in the oven. Okay. And it takes about 1 to 3 minutes to shrink up. So you want to watch it closely, and you could see it shrink. Okay, so your Shrinky Dinks have warped and melted into itty bitties. What we're gonna do is pull out our mitts with an adult and bring them on out. Okay. Put it on the pad. Turn this off. Okay. And now I'm just gonna let it cool for a minute before I touch it. Okay, now that our Shrinky Dink is cooled, we can go ahead and finish it up. It is hard, no bending. We're gonna go ahead and put a magnet on. If you feel like your magnet is too big for your piece, that's fine. You can just cut it in half, pull off the sticky stuff, and put it on there, and bam, you have yourself a Shrinky Dink fridge magnet. All right, guys, thank you for joining me for this craft. I'm Danielle, and you can follow our Facebook page as HPL Kids Korner with a K. Go ahead and share your pictures of your crafts with us. We'd love to see them, and we'll see you next time.